C6 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 2007 Chevrolet Corvette convertible 3LT package. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 50,000 is all on this one. Arctic white over the tan interior, tan top. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia. Tried and true LS2 V8 underneath the hood, 6-liter. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, which is going to be a 6-speed automatic with paddle shift, power steering, power brakes, AC. Take your time looking through the still pictures on this one. You're going to be able to see the engine bay, interior, trunk, top up, top down. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube, and you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, chrome wheels, drilled rotors, and paint shows well. The Arctic white paint, nice shine to it. It's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Yes, I'm sure you can probably find an imperfection here or there, but overall, this car shows very well. It's been well taken care of, well maintained, and again, with that clean Carfax. Take a look down the passenger side. Again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Drilled rotors on the rear. Bucket seats, of course, and with that 3LT package, you can have heads-up display. Heated seats. You can see the window sticker if you want to know exactly how this car is equipped. The window sticker will also be in with the still pictures. Some of the options you're going to notice on the window sticker is, of course, the power top with that 3LT package. This one does have the magnetic selective ride control, an upgrade to that 6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shift, the chrome wheels, DVD navigation. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's also a Corvette car cover that will go with this car and an extra set of floor mats. You can see those in the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. At the end of this video, we are going to put the top up, let you take a look at the condition of that. Also take it for a drive so you can see how it goes down the road. If you're into Corvettes all years, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor if you make it see us in person. You can also see that the driver's side of this car, free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. We're going to go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. There's the door panels, of course, memory seats, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, power seat over on this driver's side. Let me go ahead and fire this up. We'll get rid of this dinging. I'll quick show you the exact miles. We'll go through a few more things in here. Exact miles, 50,017. Of course, I mentioned the navigation. Radio in it earlier. Does have electronic climate control. That is dual, so controls for both sides, driver and passenger. AC works. Turn that off. It will freeze you out of this thing. Again, 6-speed automatic with the paddle shift, heads-up display, and obviously you can change that up and down. There you can see it. Make it brighter or lighter. Completely turn it off if you want. Top of the dash looking good. Driver's information center. Of course, the selective ride control on that center console. Seating surfaces, both seats, nice shape. And once again, those are heated seats. Take a little closer look at the driver's side here. Also nice shape, a little bit of wear on the bolster. Overall, also nice condition. No crazy aftermarket, loud exhaust, nice sounding Corvette. Again, 6-liter underneath the hood. Alright, let me go ahead and pop this. I should be able to get this open one-handed. So let's pop the hood. take a peek at the engine bay, I'll also show you the top functioning. There you get an idea, underside of the hood. And that LS2. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Again, what you'd expect with the lower miles in this car and the clean Carfax. And again, tried and true drivetrain. Plenty of power for a car this weight. Looking good underneath there. See headlights working. All right, let's go ahead and check out this convertible top with it up. We'll check out the condition of it, and I'll close up the hood and show you the top going up and down. All right, so you can see the power top function going up, works fine. Did roll up the side glass. I wanted to show you that it does have tinted glass, so know your local and state laws as far as percentage of window tints you can have. So again, tan fabric. I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes. Take a look around it. Nice shape. Rear window also tinted, and that is glass, rear defogger. If you need it to keep you out of the sun or a brief shower, it is gonna serve the purpose just fine. Nice tight fit above the windshield. One other thing I wanted to mention, both keys and key fobs included with this car, as well as that window sticker. If you want to see exactly how it's equipped, take a look in the still pictures. All right, so that's the condition of the top. Let me go ahead and show you the top going down and how that functions. Everything's good on it. And then again, stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this car for a drive so you can see how it goes down the road. And there you go with the top back down. 2007 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible 3LT. A little over 50,000 miles. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles, call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2007 Chevrolet Corvette, finished in white with some tan and black on the interior, looking good. This is an automatic on the center console, or you can put it in S mode and shift on the steering wheel with the paddles. As you'd expect, really good running 2007 Corvette. Showing only about 50,000 miles on the odometer, so it's a nice low mile car. All our gauges are working great. Oil pressure over 40, temperature about 180, battery's charging over 14, and the fuel gauge works, showing 3/4 of a tank. Tachometer, speedometer working well. We have a heads-up display with the miles per hour and the RPMs. Stereo working great.
576.
Now back to the hits. Back to the music.
Factory bucket seats, super comfortable. This is a convertible, and we do have the top down today on this beautiful day in Minnesota. Couple controls on the steering wheel. All your modern amenities from 2007. This car corners excellent, as a Corvette should. Grips nicely in the corners and doesn't lean much. Great running Corvette. Feels nice on the road. Lots of fun. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.